Hi, everybody. My name is Sydney Rowe, and here's a little bit about me. My full name is Sydney K. Rowe. I am in the BSN RN program here at Nebraska Methodist College. I went to UNL for 2 years before I came here. I have one cat named Lily, and my sister has a dog named Jack. I currently work on the cardiac care unit at Children's Hospital, and I love it. Yeah. Who do I look up to? I look up to my sister Taylor because she's been a leader throughout my entire life. She currently works in the cath lab at Nebraska Medicine, and she's a lead nurse on their unit. She was also a lead nurse on the cardiac progressive care unit. So it's kind of cool that we both are into cardiac, and she's somebody in my life that's close to me that I can look up to. She's extremely hardworking, very determined, very compassionate, and she has a drive for the thing that she does, or for the work that she does, like nobody else I've ever met. And one day I really hope to be half the nurse that she is. And that's really all there is about me.